Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and His Son Yahushua Mashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo. Today is the 15th of July 2024. I just entered a long trade here on ES at 57.1150. My stop was at 57.0950, taking a Camarilla R4 breakout plus the V2 breakout. So they were coupled at the same area, so I just decided to take that breakout right there. So my target right now is 57.2650, and that's just underneath floor pivot R1. So let's see, we have a bull flag right there. Let's see if we get some buyers to the upside. All right, I want to see buyers take that up right there. Let's break above 57.14. We got this transaction, iceberg seller going off. Looking like we're gonna squeeze him right now. Iceberg buyer right here at 57.14 as well. We have an exhaustion on the ask. Gotta see some buyers take this up, man. Alright, it's looking like we're not gonna get no big retests. We're gonna just push up from here. Trying to hold on to catch at least 10 points here. Alright, considering selling here. Hopefully we don't break down from 57.14 and come all the way back to 57.1350. Let's see what the buyer is looking like here. Alright, they're coming back in. Alright, that's not looking too good. I think they're gonna come back here and retest 57.1350. We have a lot of icebergs transacting there, right? Supporting price, so let's see if they could hold. All right, that's what I want to see. I want to see some volume pushing up. Let's break out 57.16. Exhaustion on the bid. Not really seeing buyers coming in. All right, buyers gotta step in here, man. It's looking like the buyers fighting back a little bit, but it's like they baiting the sellers to see what they got a little bit. Buyers still in control, so I don't want to sell out too early. All right, we're looking good. Let's see if we could catch a nice runner here today. I should probably move my stop up to 57.14, but I'm gonna let my trailing stop work. I wanted to move up 6 points first before my trailing stop moves up. But is my trailing stop working right now? So we gotta get to 57, 17.50. All right, nice little retest of the breakout. Let's see if we maintain above the structure. And it's difficult to manage in these apex accounts when we get these pullbacks after you go so much in profit. You gotta consider your drawdown threshold and whether you wanna hold for the entire move or you wanna just take profit up here. Like when we come back up here, if I start seeing sellers taking over and probably could push price lower here, I should probably start considering exiting because right now it's looking like we're getting a little buying exhaustion, but the buyers are coming back in. So I want to see them hit the ask, but the volume is kind of low up here, man. But I want to hold on. I don't want to miss the move. And one thing to look at is we have no sellers right now. Sellers just start coming in there. So it's just a big buy order that could take us up. And I think it's coming in now. All right, so my trailing stop moved up to 57.1350. I'm gonna do the same over here. All right, so I'm flattening right there. I don't like how that selling is pulling back a little too much for me. Let's see if I made the right decision here. Buyers coming back in. As you can see here, that's my P&L on the day. This is the PA, that's two other evals in tandem right there. So let's see if we get another move to the upside. All right, buyers coming back in. I want to get another retest here of like 57.14. Let's see if we could hold because I'm seeing these sellers like they're trying to just bring down price a little bit. So buyers absorbing, but let me see if they'll let it pull back a little bit and start buying around this area at V2. We're coming up here to weekly Camarilla R4. So let's see what we get here. This is also the monthly Vwap 2. So this is a nice little resistance area here. Let's see if we get big buyers through this level. All right, it's looking like we're getting buyers. You see how the sellers are coming in at this level here? This is heavy resistance here, V2, monthly V2, and weekly Camarilla R4. See the iceberg has to step in here and start absorbing price, absorbing the sellers. Let's open that up a little bit. Right, so they're absorbing those sellers right now. Let's see if sellers are gonna run their stops or they're gonna just buy this up. Man, I wanna short this so bad, but nah, I'ma just leave this because we're coming back down to V2. This could be support here for to continue the upward trend. So let me see what's happening here. All right, we ran through it, heavy volume. Let's see if we get any sign of buyers coming back in. All right, we're moving sideways a little bit. Let's see how the selling pressure is. Looking like we're stepping down. See this right here? This is buying volume pressure, and they're still in a mix. So it's looking like they're still trying to buy. If you look at here, sellers are a little more aggressive, but they're still buying. You see how the iceberg is coming in there? We're not getting that cascade effect no more. It's a moving sideways a little bit. Right here, Camaria R4. I think they're trying to get that break back above here. I think they want to make a play right now to push back above. They're going to regroup at this level here and probably attack this resistance level again. More selling, more aggressive sellers coming in though. Nice selling, man. Wow. I missed out on that short there. But anyway, not too bad on the day. So as you can see here, this was the trade 57.1150 to 57.1650. As it started to wick out and I started to see selling coming in, exited the trade, and that was the result here. Big selling coming in. So it was a good idea to step out, just using my instincts and try and gauge when price is exhausted on the bid. I mean on the ask. Because let's go back over here, right? So you can see where I took profit. Right, it was where did the sellers come in? I think this here was actually the first little dip I saw after we had that breakout. You see we broke out from the structure here. Let me just tighten it up a little bit. Where is it? Right. So this little structure here, we were moving sideways, right? Let me just use a different color. Right, so it's a green accumulation structure. We had this breakout here, nice buying, and then we had this steep little pullback here. That was the first time I kind of was looking at it sideways, and then when we came back up here again, I just decided to exit the trade. Something was telling me something wrong with this trade, with the long trade. I'm trying to find where my entry is here. 57.1150. Right, so my entry was a pullback into this V2 level, V2 Vwap. Took the breakout when we started getting buyers, took the breakout. It came back, retested below again, held. Big buyers came in, and I rolled that up there. took that up, and then we started to move sideways. Had the breakout of that consolidation right there. Nice buying. And this is what I was talking about. This is what I was looking at, right? So again, sideways movement, stoppage of like the uptrend. We had big buyers come in, but then we swept the book on this play here, right? That's when I started to get cautious. So we had buyers come back in, sellers, and we had some exhaustion on the ask. So let me just show you that right there because I think now I can see it better. And this right here, like we were on the ask right here. Was this the highest price? Wait. Because I know I was seeing some exhaustion on the ask, man. Maybe it's my time frame. But anyway, I was seeing more sellers here, not too much buyers. We had this pop up and then that sweep down there again. I decided to hold to see if we're holding the structure. And then when we pop back up, I wasn't seeing too much aggression here. So I decided to just come back out because it's basically a retest of this level here, like kind of like the base of the structure. So this pop back up here was just like a little retest. Anyway, y'all, that's my trade for today. It wasn't much points. Took two mini contracts from 57.11 to 57.16.50. And that's the PNL today. That's the PA. Two evals running. I think this is the 300K and this is a new 150K. So how I'm playing it is when I pass a 150, I'm gonna get another 150. When I pass this 300K, I'm gonna get another 300K. All right, y'all, it's Malak Shalomo. Y'all trade safe and stay blessed.